At HP Additive Manufacturing Solutions, we believe technology should serve a bigger purpose, protecting what matters most. That's why we partnered with the Eye Above project to help safeguard Africa's wildlife and fragile ecosystems. Today, species like rhino are under constant threat from illegal poaching. By using the HP Jet Fusion 5600 series 3D printing solution, we helped bring a unique VTOL drone to life, something the market had never seen before. HP's drones team partnered with the Eye Above to unlock the full potential of the MJF technology, resulting in an airframe with ultra-thin walls structured into cells that deliver an optimal strength-to-weight ratio. Made with PA-12, enabled by Evonik, the drone combines extreme durability with lightweight performance, tough enough to withstand Africa's most demanding weather conditions. And because the drone is printed in modules, if one part gets damaged, it can be swapped out on the ground, so the mission doesn't need to stop. But it does more than spot poachers. It can detect wildfires before they spread, track droughts, and monitor habitats under threat, giving nature a fighting chance.
To bring the communities, the rural grassroots communities, into it as well as drone pilots, drone technicians, and empower the communities and give them an alternative to poaching and actually make them part of the solution instead of being part of the problem.
This is how innovation should work, solving real problems, empowering local communities, and protecting life for generations to come.